Hello and welcome to Quick Learn University, where you can learn about anything in few precious minutes. Today we are going to learn about allergies. Allergies affect millions of people worldwide, causing a range of symptoms from sneezing and itching to more severe reactions. In this video, we will take a closer look at what allergies are, common types of allergies, and how to manage them. Allergies occur when the immune system overreacts to a substance that is harmless to most people. These substances are called allergens, and they can be found in food, pollen, pet dander, and many other sources. Food allergies are one of the most common types of allergies, and they can be life-threatening in some cases. Symptoms can include hives, swelling of the throat and mouth, and difficulty breathing. Environmental allergies are also common and can be caused by pollen, dust, and pet dander. Symptoms can include sneezing, itchy eyes, and a runny nose. Contact allergies occur when the skin comes into contact with an allergen such as poison ivy or latex. Symptoms can include a rash, itching, and swelling. In some cases, allergies can cause a severe reaction called anaphylaxis, which can be life-threatening. If you have a severe allergy, you should carry an epinephrine autoinjector with you at all times and know how to use it. Allergies can be managed with medication, such as antihistamines and nasal sprays, and by avoiding allergens. Immunotherapy, or allergy shots, can also be effective for some people. In addition to medication, lifestyle changes such as reducing stress, getting enough sleep, and eating a healthy diet can also help manage allergies. Allergies can be a nuisance, but with the right management techniques, you can still enjoy a full and healthy life. Talk to your doctor if you suspect you have an allergy and need help managing it. This video is for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or another qualified healthcare provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Please support us by subscribing and following us on all social media platforms so that we can create more contents like these. Thank you for watching Quick Learn University.